This is the colorimeter WR18. User manual, warranty card, and software CD. Device, battery inside. Here is the power on. Type means standard LAB and sample LAB. Delta L, delta A, delta B. Delta E is the color difference. Here is the aperture. (8 mm). Test one sample. You see, standard LAB sample. Delta A is white or black. A means green or red. B means blue or yellow. Delta E is the color difference. Here's the aperture, power on and power off. This is for adapter charger. This is for software to connect the PC. USB. Charger. And this model also include a switchable aperture. This is for 4 mm smaller aperture for arc cambered small parts, small surface. This for wider calibration. White calibration and black calibration. LAB, LCH, XYZ, RGB, and aperture 4, 8, 40, light source. Okay. This is my name card, Cassie. The video is made by Cassie.